I-welcome naman natin ang susunod na boy group. Please welcome Aster.
We bloom and shine. We are
Aster.
Hello. So guys, kindly introduce yourself as a group.
Magandang tanghali, ako si Aster Kian.
Hi everyone, I'm Aster Charlie.
Hello po, I'm Aster Tatin.
Hello po, I'm Master G.
Hello po, I'm Master Anas.
Hello po, I'm Master Lawrence.
Hi everyone, this is Aster Wayne.
Magandang araw po sa inyo, ako po si Aster Lloyd. Hi guys, this is Aster Kian. Hello everyone, this is Aster Kian. Hello po, ako po si Aster Picasso.
Hello everyone, I'm Master Wayne.
Hello po. Hello po sa inyo lahat.
So may paano ba nagsimula ang group nyo, no, Aster? Can you tell us more about your group? How did you start as a group? Anyone?
Actually po, we are both from different groups po before. Una po, kami po ay nabuo from Dreammaker, from ABS po, a collaboration po with Korean Entertainment. And the other one po is from a disbanded group, which is Zion. And yung isa po is like scouted po. And then after po nun, collaborate po kami lahat ng Asters. And we are formed as Trini AE before po kami nag-debut as Aster.
So, narinig ko may bago kayong release na single. Can you tell us about it?
Get high, gonna ride, this is the right time. Let's meet the stars in the night sky in this beautiful night. I fly into the moon, you belong so let's go. Get low, so dreams come true.
Song namin ng A-Star. And yung song na po na yung is about sa pangarap ko. Like, parang sinasabi po doon na big win ka na, kailangan mo na lang mag-big. So, para po yun din po sa mga twinkles po sa mga fans po namin na hindi lang po kami sinasamahan nila sa mga pangarap po namin, kundi sinasamahan din po namin sila sa pangarap.
Okay, congratulations nga pala, no? I heard na nagka-award kayo as most promising P-pop group, Pinnacle Awards, right?
Yes.
Yes. So, any upcoming shows or events that you wanna invite?
This December 1 po, we have po a gig at Viva Cafe with Onyx and Iris. Yeah, mapapanood nyo po mamaya Iris kasama po namin dito sa Escultura. P-pop School Invasion. And Fans Day, like December 21. December 21 po, ayan po. So please make sure na magkuha po kayo ng inyong mga tickets. May tickets ba yun? Yeah, may tickets. Kaya sana makapunta po kayo and to know more about po our events.
You can search _Aster OFC para po ma-update po kayo sa mga upcoming events namin as Aster. And yes, nandun po lahat. So kung gusto niyo po kami stop.
Yeah, don't forget to stream also our music sa Spotify, lahat po ng streaming platforms, which is ang debut single po namin na
Bingo! Tsaka yung MV namin.
Yes, music video, Aster's Entertainment YouTube channel.
So, any message sa mga fans nyo? Greet nyo naman sila.
So, first of all, Twinkles, maraming salamat palagi sa pagpunta sa mga events namin. Kahit saan man kami mapadpad dito sa Pilipinas or malay mo, outside Philippines, yes, manifesting. Nandun pa rin kayo lagi para sa amin. Kaya, we are very grateful. Na-appreciate namin lahat ng efforts nyo sa pagpunta, pag-support sa amin online, personal, and sa mga lahat ng binibigay niyo sa amin. Kaya we are very thankful sa inyo guys and maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.